Welcome back to Always Dolls. To celebrate the festive season, we are making our dolls 3 simple but fun Christmas candy crafts. See how to make this trio of treats in minutes. There's something for every doll. Enjoy traditional Christmas rock candy in peppermint, spearmint, toffee and strawberry flavors. Or the visually delicate ribbon candy. Of course, we can't go past a classic chocolate cluster with hundreds and thousands in Christmas colours. With all these festive sweets on the menu, let's get making! To mimic old-fashioned hard candy, we are going to use these coloured glue sticks bought at Daiso and coloured permanent markers. Using the blade from a Stanley knife, cut your white glue stick into cylinders that are half a centimetre tall. Push a sewing pin into the bottom so you have a handle. Now take a red permanent marker to draw in the peppermint stripes. You may need to go over the same line a few times to make the colour opaque. Carefully continue the line over the edge on both the bottom and top of the candy. Switch up the candy flavours by using green marker for spearmint. They are so easy and quick to make. For the toffee flavour, we used a combination of markers in dark brown and light brown, alternating the stripes. Have fun making a variety of hard candies, then pop them in a mini bowl to serve up to all the dolls. Next, we can make elegant ribbon candy from Fun Foam. Here we have a sheet that is paper thin, making it very flexible and perfect for this craft. Cut a long strip of foam that is 1.5 centimetres wide and colour in a central green line. Leave a small gap of white Fun Foam, then draw in thicker bands of red marker on either side for an instant Christmas colour scheme. When you have finished colouring in the top, flip over the Fun Foam and repeat the pattern on the underside. In order to make the ribbon loops, find 3 paintbrushes that are about the same thickness. Adhere a thin strip of double-sided tape against the edge. Position the handle of the brush about 1 centimetre away so you can fold over the Fun Foam and press down, creating your first loop. Put your next piece of double-sided tape at the top of the loop. Insert the next paintbrush, then fold the Fun Foam ribbon back on itself, attaching to the double-sided tape. Apply more adhesive, then position the third paintbrush. Fold the strip over the handle, pressing firmly to connect with the glue. Continue weaving the Fun Foam until you get to the end of the strip. Clip away any excess Fun Foam. Then make more candy ribbons. Experiment with different coloured Fun Foams for different flavours. Let's finish with a classic chocolate cluster. We are using brown air-dry clay and the moulds we made for our holiday mince pies. Click the card top right to see this video. Leave the clay overnight to dry and harden, then remove from the mould. For a richer chocolate colour, we painted the mould with Reeves Burnt Sienna. In our stash, we have this colourful pack of styrofoam balls, and we separated the Christmas colours. Apply a generous coat of liquid glue to the top of the clay, then dip it in the styrofoam balls for instant colourful hundreds and thousands. When the glue has dried, you can serve these treats. If you enjoyed these quick and easy Christmas crafts, we'd love it if you hit the like button and subscribed to support our channel. Bethany and I wish you a wonderful and safe Christmas. See you again soon for more miniature crafting fun.